zap. I like that it says that on the lower part there.
And see, for a science person, this is just one of those things where you just go, this is another teachable moment. And in Colorado, we have to be so careful because Colorado's number 11 in terms of overall deaths. And so it's scary. I think we feel like we're invincible. We're outside biking, hiking, and so forth. And so I wanted to bring in the classic Van de Graaffs to be able to show you. I brought 2 of them in and to show you how it works, because really what we're talking about, hi Belinda, what we're talking about is a buildup of electrons and just moving electrons. So if you remember from school, you have atoms and you scrape off the electrons. Now we got that buildup that's in the cloud, and so that's what you have here. So Gary, look at this. This is a giant rubber band. That's all this is, hooked to a crank. I like this one a lot. So if you crank, right, good job. So now watch what happens as we get close over here. Watch it. Oh, keep going. You're doing great. Here we go. Nice, nice. Give me another one of those. Nice. Here, look at those nice sparks kind of coming off. Good. Here, let me come this way so you can give me a good one. Nice. There it is. So every inch is about 50,000 volts of electricity. Isn't that great? Now here, you hold on to it. Yeah, hold on to this. And now do the same thing. Yeah, now you're just going to feel it.
Oh, yeah.
See how you feel it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Can I have the other one instead?
Yeah, now you're going to love that. So here's what I was thinking, and it is that buildup. So what I was thinking is this, Corey, over here, I have a Van de Graaff that's actually hooked to a motor, which makes this a little bit more fun. So when I flip this one on here, you're actually going to start, oh, Belinda, you start to feel it around you. Now come here. Ladies, come close, and you can kind of feel. Just put your hand to the back here and feel.
Oh, wow.
See? Now this is that buildup of static electricity. Got it? Right? Come close. You're okay, Belinda. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I can feel it. Get in there, get in there.
It's that feel that you're feeling that buildup of electrons that are there. And then let's see if we can get this guy over here. This is a pretty good one as well. But you know what would be better is if you would stand up on the crate. Now I'm making you really tall because I want you off the ground. And I want you to build it up around your body.
I like being up here.
Here we go. Stand. Just put your hand here.
Oh, no,
the burning sensation will go away in a week. So, no, you're fine. Okay, so now watch. Don't touch or whatever you do, because I'm going to crank it up. Here we go. Let me just... Nice. So now shake your hair out a little bit. Would you do that for me? Shake it. Yeah, there you go. Nice little shake. You shake. Good. So you're starting to...
Don't touch me!
There's a little... Now, you hang on to Barbie here. Hang on to Barbie as well. You start to see this. So there's that... Oh, that's beautiful.
That's a good look.
What we're really trying to do is to make sure that you're understanding the difference between us playing with static electricity and the buildup of electrons and some of those real things that we have to kind of look at with lightning. So that's where kind of Belinda helps. I'll help you down so you don't step down.
Now?
All right?
Are you recharged?
Oh my goodness.
All right, so Belinda, kind of help me. You see a lightning bolt, ready? And then you start counting, and every 5 seconds until you hear the thunder is another mile. So if I see the flash and then I count 5 seconds, it's a mile. We always say that, you know, if it's 4 or 5 miles away, you're fine. That's not actually true. And in Colorado, that strike zone really is between 2 and 3 miles. So if you can count to 10 or 15 after seeing the flash, because of course you can't see the flash and have the thunder unless it's right on top of you at the same time because of the speed of light and the speed of sound, you got to seek shelter. And so all of this stuff here that we're playing with is just to be able to say you have to seek shelter.
Exactly. What specifically kind of shelter? Because I was hiking the other day and I saw it, so I didn't know. Is under a tree okay? Or
well, now we worry about all those kinds of things, and kids, you know what they're really thinking, because what we used to teach is just go find shelter, but you have kids going like this. Well, if I'm touching water and water's on the ground and I'm laying on the ground, is that safe? And if the ground gets zapped, does it travel through? It does travel through. You're just trying to get away from the outside. If you can get inside of a shelter, if you can get inside of a car, fantastic, because you get this effect where you're now kind of enclosed in that metal, which is fantastic. A lot of people say, oh, the rubber tires are the ones that save you. But if the lightning bolt is 1 billion volts of electricity and it can jump down 4 miles, it probably can go another 18 inches to the ground, all right? So that's not the thing. It's that you're being covered in that metal. We have people who get hit from hit lightning in airplanes all the time, and that's I had that happen to me on the way to San Francisco, and it's a rattling kind of situation there. But
I saw a lightning bolt come down the aisle of an airplane one time.
You're kidding?
No, just like that.
How crazy is that?
Just like that.
So this is really, really good. And if you start to feel your hair standing up and you're on Pikes Peak or Mount Evans, run away.
That's what you feel.
Yeah, that's the feeling that's there for sure. Oh, it was a good one. Look at this. It's just that buildup of electron. It's destruction, and you know how it goes there. But this is one of my favorite things to be. I know. If I left you on there, that's what you would look like. Isn't that just the greatest thing ever? I love that.
That would be amazing.
One of my most favorite things to be able to play with.